Hi, good morning. This is Ron from Mustard Seed Systems Corporation. So today I'm going to give you an overview about Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. So let's start. So next screen. So before that, so let me introduce myself. So I'm Ron Baulite. So I'm a business unit manager here in Mustard Seed Systems Corporation. So I graduated at Polytechnic University of the Philippines with BS Entrepreneurial Management. And I've been in the company for around 7 years now. So right now, marami na po akong mga products na na-handle. So from small accounting like ABSS, QuickBooks, Sage 50, then yung mga ERP po namin like Oracle NetSuite, SAP Business One, and Microsoft Business Central. Okay, so let me give you an overview or introduction. What is Microsoft Business Central? So, but before that, let me discuss first about our company. So, our company, Mustard Seed Systems Corporation, is an IT and software company. So, currently we have 10 locations. Our main office is located here in Quezon City along Camas Road. And we are now 25 years na po in the business. So Mustard Seed offers different products from ERP, IT products like laptop, desktop servers, then ERP, accounting software, CRM, and payroll software. Okay. We also have other two companies. We call it OfficeWorks and Building Technology Solutions. So OfficeWorks basically offer school and office supplies like bond papers, printers, and ball pens. So we also have physical store here in our office and meron din po kaming store online like Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. Okay. So for building technology solutions, so this company naman is focusing on offering building products like CCTV, biometrics, fire alarms. We also have office solutions like tables, chairs, and cabinet. Okay. So as you can see po, no, we have different products in the market because our vision is to be a one-stop solution for our company. Okay. So going forward, so allow me to introduce to you Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Okay, so what is Microsoft Business Central? So Microsoft Business Central is an all-in-one cloud solution. Okay, this is a comprehensive solution for small to medium enterprises, and its goal is to automate your various business processes. So from finance, sales, operations, inventory, project, and even your production. Okay. So next. So these are the modules that you can maximize within Microsoft Business Central. So if you purchase the license of Microsoft Business Central, so you will be get this modules, no? So basically, if meron po kayong mga modules na hindi naman po ninyo need, especially for your process, then we can exclude naman it during the implementation or during the setup or training process po natin. But to give you an idea, so the solution is the financial management. So we also have sales and service management, supply chain management, reporting, operations, and project management. So to give you a deep dive on each particular modules, so allow me to discuss what modules po yung maximize natin. So for financials, so we have the general journals, chart of accounts, budgets, fixed assets, cash management, bank reconciliation, even yung mga financial reports po natin like balance sheet, trial balance, and income statement. Okay. Another thing, we also have the sales. So you can manage customer data. Okay. The sales quote, sales order, delivery, invoice, return, credit memo, and sales report. For the procurement or for the operations, so we can manage the vendor or supplier data. So we can also create a purchase request, quotation, or purchase order, goods receipt, goods return, credit memo, and the invoice reporting po natin. Then for inventory, you can also manage your items, serial, barcode, even your warehouses. Okay. For the project management, so you can manage your project resources and yung project reports. And the last one is the production, wherein you can create your bill of materials or BOM, and you can also process your production orders from routing to issuance of the raw materials hanggang sa finished goods na. Okay, so that's the modules that we can use or we can maximize in Microsoft Business Central. So knowing those modules, so ano po ba yung magiging benefits ng each department or ng company itself? So let's discuss first for the financial. So when you use Microsoft Business Central, you will be able to automate and streamline your financial management. So we can also improve our compliances, no? Especially with the BIR. So if in case your company was tapped as large taxpayer and BIR required you to register to computerized accounting system, so we can easily register Microsoft Business Central because this software is already accredited by BIR. Okay. Another thing is the audit readiness because we have the audit trail within the system also. Then we can also improve the accounts payable and receivable management. So that's for the financial. Another thing for the sales, so we can now have a faster and more efficient sales process. Okay. Then real-time sales and revenue insights. So yung mga sales reports natin is available na po in the system. And the good thing is we also have mobile and remote access, especially for sales team. So if may mga sales tayo na lumalabas and they record a sales mismo dun sa office ng customer, then they can maximize the mobile application. Okay. Another thing, the procurement. So you streamline your purchasing process. So from purchase order to receiving the goods to invoicing to payment to supplier. Then supplier and vendor management. And with this, we can now have a seamless integration with other departments. So for example, if we receive the goods from the vendor, so we can connect it to our inventory to update the stocks. Then, of course, the accounts payable will be now recorded using our financial module also. Okay. Then we also have the inventory. So what's the benefit? So we can have a real-time inventory and tracking visibility. Okay. Then automation of replenishment and stock optimization. And of course, we can now also manage the inventory cost and the valuation costing for the inventory. Then another thing for the project, so we have the resource management and allocation. So we can now allocate na yung mga expenses natin for the labor, for the materials in a particular project. Then we can also compare our budget versus our actual cost. Then we can now also have a real-time project reporting and insights. Then the last one, so for production, so we have the production planning and scheduling, inventory and material management, shop floor and process of optimization. So those are the benefits that our department can get when they acquire Microsoft Business Central. So another thing, so pagdating naman po dun sa mga different role sa company like for the CEO, president, and the owner, ano po ba yung benefits that they can get using this system? So for the CEO, so they can now have a better financial control and visibility, faster and smarter decision making because the data, the reports is already available. So hindi na po nila kailangan mag-antay ng weeks or months to just see the report because they can generate the reports real time. Then the scalability and business growth. So since they have the data, so they can now focus on scaling and improving their business. Then another thing, compliance and risk management, what I mentioned po kanina. Okay. So next for the manager and supervisors naman. So since our manager and supervisors use the system, so they can now have real-time data for smarter decisions. So again, real-time reports, dashboards can be now available in the system. Then another thing, so it's easy now to collaborate between different departments like for like the PO connected to inventory to our finance, so connected na po sila. Then sa staff, no? So sa mga users natin, so mga staff natin. So they can now we can now automate their different processes. And with this, the benefits, we can now reduce manual work. So more time, no, for our employee. So they become more productive in the workplace. And of course, faster and more accurate reporting for their managers and for their supervisors. Okay. So, speaking of Microsoft Business Central, so there are different ERPs in the market. So, ano po ba yung advantage na meron si Business Central that wala sa other ERP in the market? Okay, so number one, integration with Microsoft ecosystem. So this one, since it's from Microsoft, so yung mga Microsoft tools or mga productivity tools natin like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, Power BI, Microsoft Teams, we can now easily integrate it in Microsoft Business Central. Okay? Another thing, yung customization and extensibility. So with Microsoft Business Central, we can do some customizations, customization of forms, of reports, and some functionalities. And we can also integrate or connect this solution to our to other third-party application software. So it's an open API software naman, so we can easily connect other softwares. Okay? So next is of course the AI intelligence. So with Microsoft Business Central, meron na po tayong built-in na Microsoft Copilot. So it's work like a ChatGPT, but this one po is within Microsoft Business Central. So meron po tayo makita diyon na parang chat box wherein you can ask questions with this AI capability, and it will help the users to simplify or to familiarize yung mga process sa system natin. And if may mga data sila na needed, so they can just type it using the chat box. Okay? Then of course, yung analytics and reporting. So what's nice in Microsoft Business Central, so once you purchase the license, meron na po tayong pre-built in na mga analytics, reporting, mga dashboards available in the system. So hindi na po siya add-on in the system po. Okay? Then, of course, the Business Central mobile application. So, what you can see on the mobile or on your desktop can be also seen on our mobile application or tablet or mobile phones, no? So, as you can see, ito yung itsura niya sa mobile or tablet po natin. Okay? So, another thing po, no? So, let's discuss naman yung mga add-ons. So, na-mention ko na po kanina yung M365 wherein you can connect your Outlook, your Power BI, Microsoft Teams, and Microsoft Copilot. Okay. Then we also have this localization or BIR localization for Microsoft Business Central. So since Microsoft Business Central is not developed here in the Philippines, so yung mga BIR reporting natin na sinasubmit to BIR is hindi siya available default in the system. That's why we at Mustard Seed, we developed this add-on solution for us, no, our customer will be able to generate BIR forms, BIR reports, and even yung BIR books of accounts. So this is an add-on. So you have the option if you want to avail this one or hindi po muna. So it's up to you. But you can see, ito yung mga report that you can generate the forms like 2307 and yung mga EWT reports natin, summary alpha list. Then sa books of accounts natin, so yung mga books natin for general journal, cash receipt, ledger, inventory, sales, credit, and credit memo, sales journal, and debit memo po. Okay, so we can also submit this report via that file, BIR. Okay. Then for the additional add-on, so we also have Payroll Plus. So with this payroll solution, we can integrate it to our Microsoft Business Central. So wherein yung ating payroll can manage the from onboarding to offboarding of the employees, managing the payroll, the leave and attendance compensations, the acquisition, people management, analytics, engagement. So that's those all functionalities is available na po in our system. Okay, so in our next video po, so we're going to conduct an overview of the system. So yeah, thank you for your time.